Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to redeem an Airbnb gift card. Whether you've received one as a present or purchased it yourself, this process will get that credit applied to your account so you can use it toward your next booking. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to Airbnb.com. Once you're on the homepage, look toward the top right corner where you'll see the Log In button. Click on it and enter your Airbnb account credentials to access your account. If you're new to Airbnb and don't have an account yet, simply click Sign Up instead and follow the prompts to create one. Having an account is essential since the gift card balance needs somewhere to be stored and applied. After logging in, navigate back to the top right corner and click on your profile picture or icon. This will open a drop-down menu with several account options. From this menu, select Account. This section is where you manage all your personal settings, payment methods, and account preferences. Once you're in the account area, take a look at the left sidebar. Here you'll find various categories for managing different aspects of your profile. Click on Payments and Payouts. This is the hub for everything related to how you pay for bookings and receive payouts if you're a host. Now scroll down through this section until you locate the gift cards credit or gift card redemption area. This is specifically designed for adding gift card balances to your account. When you find it, click on Redeem Gift Card or directly into the input field that's provided there. You'll now see a field where you need to enter your gift card number or code. Type this in exactly as it appears on your gift card, paying close attention to any letters, numbers, or special characters. Accuracy here is crucial since even a small mistake will prevent the redemption from working. If your gift card requires a PIN, you'll see an additional field appear. Enter the PIN associated with your gift card in this space. Not all Airbnb gift cards require a PIN, so if you don't see this field, you can skip ahead. Once you've entered all the required information, click the Redeem Gift Card button. This submits your gift card details and processes the redemption. Wait a moment for the system to verify your information and add the balance to your account. You should see a confirmation message indicating that the gift card balance has been successfully applied. And that's it, your Airbnb gift card is now redeemed and ready to use on your next adventure. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.